Alright, let's go live. Let's not worry about anything. And by let's not worry about anything, I mean let's not worry about the fact that I haven't even set up my workstation yet. No, we don't need to worry about that. Because I mean, what's the best part about learning? The best part about learning isn't seeing a person actually do the work that they're supposed to be doing. It's seeing them set up the work that they're supposed to be doing. So let's get going here. CMD, CD, crowd control, BFBB. Okay, then I don't remember what I named it. Here we are. No, wait, no, it can't be that. It has to be... Oh, well, it's gonna be in my users. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, I super acronymed it. Yeah, it's been a while. Let me see what my git status is. Am I synced up? Oh, what? Why did I edit all the files and not commit it? What? Why? Why is that what's different? Okay, who keeps messaging me? Who in their right mind? I better not open this message on stream. For all I know, it could be some horrible hate speech. Oh wow, this actually is something that I shouldn't show on stream. Okay, good thing I didn't show that on stream. That was not meant for... You know, I was thinking about just showing that on stream for kicks, but apparently that actually was a private message. That's crazy. Not, like, 99% of the time, it's not something that I can't show on stream, but that actually was important. 99% of the time. It's something I can show on stream. But anyways, oh yeah. I should open, yeah, here we are. This is the right Visual Studio folder. Why is the README different also? Yeah, why is how is it that the README is modified? That doesn't seem right. Did I really forget to push when I finished? Like... Wait, what? Oh, I've never used git diff before. Well, this doesn't seem very helpful. What's with all the minuses? How is this helpful? What? There's no way. How can this entire thing be minuses? Oh! So that's how it's all minuses. Okay. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot more sense, actually. Alright, so, let me guess. It's gonna be, M. Okay. How do I exit this? Can you... Why... Oh, wait, isn't it like, WQ? Okay, yeah, it was WQ, okay. So... Oh, this thing. God, I hate this. I have to make it so that it's actually... I have to change the .config thing here. Yeah, it can't be this. It has to be, What repo is this for? It's a public repo. It's in my... It's right here, my public repo. And... there we are. Let's see here. And... we did it. Now GitHub won't give me that stupid message again. Now I can push. There we go. Now, I haven't even booted up the game yet. Oh wait, yeah, I have booted up the game. Maybe I have severe memory loss because I did not remember that I actually booted up the game already. Either way, let's go download the newest crowd control SDK. Why is this open? I probably should have set up before I started the stream, even though there's only one person watching. One person. Why can't I have like 40 concurrent viewers? Also, wait. Notice how it see how there was like a dip here and then it disappeared? Yeah, I can even see it. Why does it keep doing that? It says that there wasn't a viewer and then it pops the viewer pops back into existence. Interesting. Let's see. Oh, that's downloaded. I like how you can see stuff here that you're clearly not supposed to see. Crowd control. Why does this thing have so many, This thing is really unorganized. Why does it just have all those files there with the SDK? There we are. Then again, I'm way more unorganized, so I don't know why I'm complaining. Also, look at all these warnings. Without verifying return value, without verifying return value, fails to call base to stop effect. Ooh. Method get game state is missing. Is ready. Is get game state new? I've never heard of this get game state before. Oh yeah, right. Crowd control doesn't work for 64 megabyte Dolphin, even though I figured out how to make it work. Maybe I should I guess it's my fault. I should have lobbied to change their crowd control Dolphin. Or did I? Wait a minute. Did I already change the crowd control Dolphin to work with 60? Wait, no, that doesn't make any sense. No, I'm thinking about it wrong. It's backwards. It needs to be the SDK that works with 64 megabyte Dolphin, not that the crowd control Dolphin needs to be any different. No. If it's not obvious, why is the background so weird? Why is the background so weird? Wait a minute. That doesn't normally happen. Do I have gecko codes accidentally enabled that accidentally do that? Oh yeah, I have a bunch, actually. Yeah. Testing mirror mode, CC, upside down, invincibly shinies. It's probably this code. It's not even showing that there were 2 viewers at one point. I feel cheated. I was so happy to have 2 viewers. Now I have none. I changed PCs. Oh, maybe that was just it then. Oh, that has to be... Wait, no, look! Why is it the worst mistake making the repo public? Explain to me. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with the public repo? Are you saying that this repo is supposed to be private? No, this repo is explicitly public. It's not a mistake. I wanted to actually put this BFBB. I wanted to put it on a resume rather than just be a crowd control pack, because all the other crowd control packs, basically, they own them. Wait, they own them, but my idea is this one, anyone can look at it, and then hopefully, I don't know what the idea is really. The idea is just that, the idea is more so that this one is just completely transparent. So there's no way they can say, we can't see the code, we don't believe you worked on it. Also, why is it giving me so many shinies? It's not supposed to give you that many. Oh, I know why. I'm gonna restart the game. More people. Why does nobody stay? I'm not unentertaining. Do you want me to, like... What more could... What do you want from me? People? People who are not even here? Also, I feel like the dolphin is too loud. No, it shouldn't be, actually. Also, I'm kind of just warming up right now. I haven't done this in a while. Let me just make sure all the effects work still. I feel like that's an easy thing to do. Die. The die is so anticlimactic. OHKO? Okay, OHKO clearly works. OHKO has always been an easy effect to implement. Yeah, there we go. See, I'm better than other people who implement OHKO, though. I noticed that other crowd control developers, they implement OHKO, and basically... Okay, so basically their logic is flawed. Let me explain. So the way that I implement OHKO is... I think some developers, they'll just reset your health after it's done. My OHKO, look here, look how beautiful this is. Oh wait, I do the thing that I say that you shouldn't do. Wait a minute. No! I was just gonna say how people are stupid when they do that, and I literally did that. What the heck? No! No! Why? Oh no, that's bad of me. Okay, I'm gonna fix this, don't worry. I just need to add additional logic here. I was about to say, that's not good. Okay. I guess I did do the mistake that I do. Basically, that other developers do. Basically, I need to make it so that... Okay, so here's something that could happen. Let's say you go down to 2 HP, right? Okay. I don't know why I said okay for every time that they hit me. I guess OCD, except I don't have OCD. Okay, wait. I think I actually have time to show what I'm talking about. Okay, so OHKO, right? Well, within 10 seconds, what can happen is... Come on, can I do it in 10 seconds? Oh, wait. No, I couldn't. Okay, well, crowd control lets you have... I guess crowd control lets you decide the time that you want an effect to last for now, so... Okay, let me show what I'm talking about. I'm sure everyone already understands what I'm talking about, but I might as well show it anyways. I'm guilty of making the mistake... Oh, I'm guilty of making the mistake that I want to demonstrate here. Let me get this underwear. Okay, so OHKO, right? Oh no, I have oh, wait a minute. Oh man. I think oh wait, no wait, it did. Oh wait, no, yeah, that is what I wanted to see. Look, now I have 2 HP because when OHKO ended, it just gave me the HP that I originally had. So that's what I'm talking about. Is oh yeah, right. The mistake that I'm talking about is the OHKO thing, yeah. So basically, here's how you can fix that. All we need to do is we need to have connector.read32 player.health, and then we have out check health, or I guess health check. Yeah, health check is a good variable, and then and health check greater than player dot old health, or I suppose true, or yeah, I think that should be right. Ternary operator, my beloved. The health check does not. Oh yeah, right. U30. It's not actually a 32. It's just an int. I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, uint. Yes, uint is a thing in C#. I haven't been using C# in a while. I love all these warnings. They make me happy. So let's fix this. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. So now I'm gonna do OHKO. Oh no, I have 1 HP. Woe is me. Let's do the test condition where I don't do anything first. So let's just meander about. And then eventually I'll get my 2 health, right? Okay, there we go. And now let's do the condition where I actually get more health than I started with. Come on, SpongeBob. Just drown to death. It's not that bad. Everyone's doing it. There you go. And OHKO, you're gonna end, right? Timed effect end, and I still have 6 HP. Okay, so we fixed it. Wait, does CC allow for decomp-like edits? In C#? No, crowd control doesn't actually have a direct interface with the games. I'm actually not sure what you're talking about when you say decomp-like edits. I think you just generally mean, does crowd control allow you to write, say, void, kill Bob, and then, I don't know, Bob equals X, X, I don't know. No, for crowd control, basically a system that I more or less implemented with the help of D3 is this function called Gecko Flush, which I'm pretty sure Cat Dev Games hates. They must hate it. I can only assume so. Basically, this thing, this Gecko Flush function, it takes an array. It basically takes an array called general code, and general code is just the hexadecimal, a hex array of gecko codes. So just this, it's turned into an array, and with crowd control, I send that array into the game's memory. It's basically, this is basically a simplified gecko code processor. As you can see here, this is basically the 04 opcode. I use the 04 opcode and C2 opcode only, really. So for the 04 opcode, obviously all you have to do is you have to take, or the address is just the lower 24 bits of or for the 04 opcode, the first word, the lower 24 bits just represent the memory address, and then the data is just the element after that. So the 04 opcode is simple. And then I suppose the C2 opcode is still somewhat simple, but I do have to do a bit of stupid math here because in order to get the C2 opcode to work, I basically have to manually I have to basically write the branch instruction, and I have to write a branch instruction back here. So the C2, it's not that hard. It's just I think it's a little bit stupid. Like, I mean, other developers though, what they do is they basically will it's not that stupid. It's not that stupid. I think at one point though, there was the idea to just make the crowd control dolphin come with the gecko codes, and they, oh wait, no, that wasn't dolphin, that was disrupt, or sorry, that wasn't crowd control. There used to be this thing called disrupt, and apparently they actually did get it so that dolphin could have gecko codes enabled for when their disrupt wanted to run, but then disrupt stopped. So I don't know what happened to disrupt actually. I think that the guy who made disrupt, he seemed like, what's it called? He seemed like a guy who wanted to get rich quick, and I think that he probably lost motivation for disrupt because he wasn't immediately getting rich. That's my only assumption. I can't think of anything else. Because he was working really, really hard, and then one day he just stopped. And I can't imagine why you would stop just so abruptly unless you thought it wasn't worth it anymore. Wait, so the regular gecko code interpreter C2 op injects ASM. How does it work with CC? So for CC, I literally just this is the entire C2 opcode parser. It's just this is how little I need to write. Like, all I do is I check if it's the C2 opcode, and then I take okay, actually wait, I can explain this. I can explain this thing. So this is okay. So like this is basically all that the C2 opcode is so so first you check if it's C2, right? And then this is the number. So the first word is C2, and this can be any memory address you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so yeah, so you can, and then, and then you get the memory address. Where is it? Yeah, the memory address. Oh, the memory address is already here, so yeah. You take the memory address, okay? And then... Oh yeah, so that's why you need the send gecko 2, because basically you need to allocate some part of the game's memory to send the gecko code to. So basically, all you do is you have the gecko 2, and you have the address, and you write a branch command to so for the C2 opcode you write a branch command. Like, this is the branch command in PowerPC assembly. The opcode is, it's not 48, it's well, imagine it's easier to just think it's 48, but really it's like some 5-bit number. Or is it 6-bit? No, it's 6-bit on PowerPC. It's 5-bit on RISC. Anyways, I don't know. I should not be focusing on explaining unless I don't know if it's worth explaining the C2 gecko injector. It's kind of just If you read through this, you'd understand it. I don't know if I need to explain it, so I'm gonna move on for now. But it works. So eventually, I'm gonna take. Right now, I haven't ported the gecko codes over to crowd control. I'm just using them straight in Dolphin. But eventually, I'll turn them into this. I keep clicking on the Pikmin 2 decomp. I'll turn them in this arrayified format, and then my gecko flesh function will send the gecko codes on their way, and it'll all be happy glory. Woohoo! Now, let me just add this to GitHub. Git status git add dot git commit dash fixed oversight with the okay. Now for your commits, you want to make sure that they do have a good description, because when I used to write for, I think my biggest mistake in my early years of coding, and I mean really early years, is I literally did not give a shit about, like, I guess I shouldn't say that. No, yeah, I can. I'm an adult. I am a grown man. A barely grown man. I can say the S word. Now that makes me sound even more childish. I should have just said it and rolled with it. I guess I am quite childish. But anyways, basically, I did not care about GitHub. I have, let me look at my computer here. I have basically every single project that I've done before, like, this is every single project I have ever done. None of it is on GitHub. It's all just on a .zip file that I uploaded to Google Docs in case this computer ever... not Google Docs, Google Drive. If my computer ever explodes, it's only going to be on Google Drive that I'm safe. None of this is on GitHub. I guess there's no point in putting it on GitHub now because I wrote it all without GitHub, but no. There's no evidence of my progress. Like, there's only the final work. So no one can even see... like, no one can see my development throughout the years. People can just see the final product. And I honestly didn't think people cared about the process when I was younger. But now I know that that's how you obviously get, like, job interviews and stuff, is people want to see your process. But when I was young, my biggest thought was, nobody cares about the process. People just want to see the final work. And they'll judge you based off of that. But I mean... GitHub commits are important, or so I've heard these days. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this now. I'm trying to make up for lost time where I never used GitHub and I just did everything on my own drive or whatever. So let me think of more effects here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... I didn't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16. So I only need 4 more effects to be happy. Because my theory, my economic theory of crowd control is that 20 effects is the golden number. A lot of good packs have 20 effects, so I feel like that's what I gotta aim for. Any more, and I feel like it's bloat, it's too much to choose from. Any less, and I feel like the illusion of control is lost. Even though most crowd control packs, only like a few effects are really the favorite, I feel like there's a lack of control if there's actually only 10. So having 20, it's the illusion that, hey, I can pick any of the effects. But most people are only going to gravitate to certain big ones, like die. Like, everyone loves the die effect. What's more humorous than simply killing someone? Than preventing them from, living? What's more humorous than that? I also think... Wait, what does bowling time do again? I don't even remember what bowling time does. Oh, yeah, right. It just turns you into the SpongeBob. You can kind of get infinite height doing this. Actually, wait a minute. Oh, I already have an infinite height effect. It's this. I actually like this effect. I mean, it's simple, but it can catch a streamer off guard, because they might just be randomly platforming, like, there, and then they just get super high gravity, and then they immediately die. So, man, I kind of like all these effects already. It's kind of hard for me to think of a new one. That's kind of true, but people still want to see a little bit. God, I still have all my... Make sponge explode into a million pieces. Oh, yeah, that's right! I forgot! You can explode into a million pieces in this game. Except, isn't that too similar to death? I get... No, wait, no. I see what you're saying. That should just be a part of the death effect. The death effect should be the explode. You know what? That's a good point. Who wants to pay to have SpongeBob simply fade out of existence when you can pay for them to violently explode? Or wait, is this the game where SpongeBob explode? Or is there a way for SpongeBob to explode in this game? I think it has to do with when you touch electricity, right? No, wait, yes, it's okay, yes, I remember now. It's when you go to the art museum, or wait, plundering robots. Okay, if I recall, there's lasers in the museum, right? Oh wait, are the lasers not here now because I beat the game? I swear there was a laser room here, and do the lasers not respawn if you beat the game? Oh, no, it's this one. Okay, there we go. It's just... It literally has lasers in the title. Oh my god, you know what? I'm so sorry, guys. I just realized how annoying it is that, like, my dolphin is so small. I keep dolphins so small because oftentimes what I'll do is I will literally do this. I will have, like, the Visual Studio, the Crowd Control SDK, and Dolphin all on screen at once. But I just realized how annoying that is as a viewer, so I'm gonna make this really big for now. That's just how I work it. So sorry. Wait, this is called Lasers Are Good For You. Why am I not actually in the museum? So is this the laser mission? No. Okay, you know what? Moving on for now. I don't remember where in this game SpongeBob explodes. So, let's try and do another effect that doesn't involve explosions. Oh! No, wait a minute. I know what I want to do, but I don't know how to phrase it. So basically, here's something that happens. So I made an effect called Ender Bubble, right? And so how this effect works is... basically, you teleport... Oh. I accidentally saved myself. But basically, this was completely accidental. But, when I made this effect, basically, for some reason, you will just become hideously deformed. And you're stuck being deformed. So I was thinking this could be an effect, where you just become the raw model. But then again, that's also a little... I mean, sure, it's a visual effect, but I just don't know. I just don't know if it's that interesting. I prefer to stick to a mechanical effect before I go down the rabbit hole of visual altercations. Because I really prefer functionality over visuals. I do have one visual effect right now. I was actually hoping that it's big player. Yeah. Unfortunately, it doesn't affect the collision. I was hoping I could make it, but, I'm not actually sure that this game supports scaling up the player. As far as I can tell, all the collisions seem set in stone. You know, I was also thinking, what else was it? What's a good effect that doesn't really cost me a lot of time as a developer? There's a lot of things in this game. Okay, see, this is one thing I was thinking about, is this game is weird. This game basically has no state transitions. Like, there's no icy player, there's no, like, I don't know, electrified player. There's no, slow play. Like, you know what I mean? You know, like how in Plants vs. Zombies, you shoot the snow pea, and the player, you know, or the zombies, they become frozen? Or you know how you got the butter, and enemies become better? There's no status effects in this game. In fact, there's not even... Oh, there is the word status. Except, these are, yeah, there's no status effects for the player. And a lot of these are also just, like, serial interface get status. That's literally just a GameCube, Do they allow for messed up FMTX or GX glitches? Oh, good idea. GX, of course. There's a lot of things you can do by just editing the actual graphics processor. For example, GX set cull mode. I hit the... Wait. Did I not change anything for GX set cull mode? I thought I did. Oh, it looks like the symbol map is offset. That's not good. That means this is the wrong version. Wait, is it the wrong version? That didn't seem to crash. Oh well. GX set, yeah, so there's a function. Yeah, GX load text object preloaded. This game, let's see if this game works. Let's see if this game works, like Pikmin 1 or Pikmin 2. If it works like Pikmin 1, that would be better. Okay, it works like Pikmin 1. Basically, GX load text object, it's the function. The GX load text object, it basically sends, I believe how it works is it tells the graphics processor, fun fact, it wasn't called the GPU back then, it was just called the graphics processor. The graphics processor, or GPU as it's called now, it used to be a lot weaker. It used to only be able to do like a few operations, and most of the graphics rendering was done on the CPU, and the CPU for the GameCube does a lot of the graphics processes. So basically, because the GameCube does a lot of the graphics processes, they have a bunch of these GX functions, and all these GX functions do is they do all the math, and then they send the results to the graphics processor to render. And so that's why there's just this function called GX load text object that sends what image to render to the graphics processor, because the graphics processor ain't doing anything but listening to the CPU. The graphics processor is just a slave. So I think this could be a fun visual effect. I guess I could name the effect, I don't know what I could name the effect. Could I name it like random texture for everything? I don't know if it's particular. Okay, you know what? I don't care. We can always remove effects later. Let's implement based off ease of implementation. For example, if you were paying attention here, you might notice that this is actually a virtual call, right? So the thing about oh wait, let me see here. Is this virtual? Okay, let's not do that then. New approach. I'm thinking of a new approach right now. The new approach is GX get text object. Oh, okay, yeah. I guess I do need to make this a Gecko code then. This virtual part doesn't matter. Flipper LLL the void. Yeah, flipper. What can we do here? The problem is that with crowd control, you can't just directly overwrite instructions because all the instructions are cached by Dolphin. I don't even think that all the instructions would be cached on the GameCube itself. It's just that Dolphin caches more than the GameCube. And I actually took advantage of that for a Dolphin hack. Basically, I made it so that you can't load a save state because I think save states are cheating. So I made it so that you can't load a save state by taking advantage of cached instructions. So basically, let me explain. So I'm actually going to show how it works right now. So you see here, basically, I can take this address, okay? I can write random garbage to it, and Dolphin won't crash. Like, oh, well, Dolphin crashed that time because I had messed it up already. But let's not think about that. Yeah. So basically, what I can do is we know that this instruction is important just by the idea that it is. Okay? As you can see, I just wrote random garbage to it, right? And yet the game hasn't crashed. That's because the instruction is still cached by Dolphin. But see what happens when I load the save state? The game crashes. The game stopped moving. So I took advantage of that for a hack to make save stating impossible. Because I just write random values to certain instructions and make sure that they stay in the cache for Dolphin. And yeah, that's basically all you have to do. So I thought that was interesting. Anyways, now I have to reboot the game because my save state's corrupted. Let's see here. I've been yapping so much that I haven't even been actually coding anything. I guess it's hard for me not to yap when I have a discernible interest about a lot of these things. You know, it's funny. It doesn't even really make sense why I have an interest in any of this stuff. My dad is a butcher, and my mom's like, my dad's a butcher. My mom, like, she goes to, I guess my mom's job doesn't matter. I think that, like, you know, my dad's a butcher who never went to university, and, I mean, I'm not saying that as an insult. I'm not saying that as an insult at all. He's a very cool dude, but I'm saying I got, like, no... Everything, like, computer science is so academic, and I'm sure that, like, in academic families, it's like, son, you must become a computer scientist or we'll disown you. One of my IRL friends actually got disowned for, like, failing a university class. It's so crazy. I'm not even kidding. One of my IRL friends got disowned for failing a university class. But, you know, my parents, they didn't graduate from university, and it's like, I'm the computer scientist guy who's, you know, going to university doing that computer science stuff. I didn't have to. You know, it wasn't entirely in the cards for me, and here I am. It wasn't a guarantee. It wasn't I will disown you if you don't go to university. If you don't become a technical guy, you know? So there, that's a little bit of backstory about me. Not that important, I suppose, but also not that unimportant. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. Basically, we're going to have to make our own latch. We're going to have to make it so to make this effect works, we just need to make our own latch. So what do I mean by make our own latch? I mean that basically I'm going to do private const uint is, I don't know what I should call this effect. I think I should just call it is texture constant equals talk minus, and as you can see here, I have a bunch of stuff reserved, but we have 3 EEF0 preserved, 3 EEC, 3 E8, 3 E4. That's so basically these are all just random free segments of data that exist within this game, and I'm gonna be using them till their fullest, or to their fullest. Why do they say till their fullest? That's not anything that you're supposed to say. That's just stupid. Okay, but let's do this. All we need to do here is, this will actually be a relatively simple code. You're never going to believe how simple it is. In fact, it's so simple that I don't even know if it is simple. It's, you know, like, is something ever just so simple that your brain refuses to believe it's true? I actually once spent, like, I swear I spent 8 hours trying to do an assignment once because I came up with the answer in the first hour and I couldn't believe it was that simple. And I spent like the next 7 hours trying to convince myself that I actually came up with an acceptable answer. So, BEQLR and then MFR. That's literally it. This is our latch. So basically, crowd control is going to communicate with this. R2. R2 is called the table of contents, if you didn't know. So that's why it's called TOC here. But basically, R2 is a constant called the table of constants. Okay, I already said that. But basically, because it's a constant address, the reason it's constant is because you might just want to be collecting constant values from memory like I'm doing now. But basically, crowd control can take advantage of the fact that this address is constant, and we can write to certain offsets of this constant address, and then we can change the code based on that. So I feel like that's pretty rudimentary for anyone who's been doing stuff like this. If you haven't been doing anything like this, then you probably shouldn't be watching this stream anyways. This stream does require a lot of preliminary knowledge, but I just want to stream because it's fun to stream, and there's a lot of people out there who do probably want to be doing stuff like this and have a bit of preliminary knowledge. So texture constant thing, and there we are. Now this should work. I don't really have a doubt in my mind as... Oh, wait! Oh, no! No. Oh, I'm so stupid. This needs to be branch, not equal, LR. God. Alright. I did it again. I took the simplest code ever, and I wrote it wrong. Basically, that was the inverted logic for the latch. It's 0 by default, so when it's 1, it needs to return. This function needs to run when it's 0. I feel so stupid now, but not really. I don't really care that much. I caught the mistake before I even compiled, so I'll say that's a win. So let's go here. This should be easy because this is a latching effect. It's not that hard to implement compared to other ones. I don't actually know what name to give this yet. The name department can think of that. I'm just going to call this texture constant for now. You know, I'm just noticing I tend to veer towards timed effects a lot. I don't really ever implement a lot of one-shot effects. Maybe that should be my challenge for today, is I should write some one-shot effect that isn't timed. The reason, okay, if you're confused as to why I'm writing texture constant twice here, it's because this texture constant is the name of the effect, and then this texture constant is actually the name of the category for which the effect is in. So, for example, the bowling ball, or wait, I guess this pack doesn't have a lot of collisions with each other, but basically, yeah. So for bowling ball, they're both part of the jumping or bowling category because it's physically impossible to jump while you're bowling. So if both of these effects could run at the same time, it would be stupid. One person would have lost all their money towards the effect. So basically, you just need to make it so that these effects can never run at the same time. That's basically it. Brock, how is your linear algebra again? Oh, I'm done. How does CC interact? Oh, crowd control has no access to the registers. Basically, I just have to decide if I am not allowed to change the registers unless I use the Gecko code injecting system that I created. So, I'm not saying that's a problem. It would be it would be completely idiotic if crowd control actually directly interacted with the registers. That wouldn't make any sense. Because basically that would mean that I don't even know what that would mean. That doesn't mean anything. To directly interact with the registers doesn't mean anything, because these registers don't even exist if you think about it. Like, sure they exist, but what I mean is, hey look, oh wait, the register changed. Oh wait, the register changed. All of these registers only last for a single frame. Or no, not even a single frame. They ask for like the 100 nanoseconds that it takes to go from one instruction to the next instruction. So you can't really interact with the registers themselves. So I don't quite understand your question, to be honest. I feel like what you can do is you can simply interact with the memory itself. But I mean, these registers are all completely transient. One thing that you could, so I suppose if you really wanted it to work a certain way, is basically what crowd control could do if they ever wanted to support this, is you could add real fake breakpoints, and basically if you're a developer and you want to make a crowd control pack that interacts with the registers, you could make a real fake breakpoint where I say, hey, I put a breakpoint here, and then what crowd control could do is it could Kirby Mimi did this for his Pikmin 4 hack. Is basically Kirby Mimi didn't actually know how to do ASM injection for Nintendo Switch. So, well, sorry. What I mean is, he didn't really know how to do interpreter mode for the Ryujinx. So what he actually does is, before every function is turned into its x86 by the Ryujinx JIT compiler, is they take the ARM64 instructions, they JIT cache every instruction one by one, and so when Kirby Mimi sets a breakpoint, oh, this system's too complicated. There's no reason to explain it. Every question that you ask, it just leads me to think of an even more complicated thing about it. I barely know how Kirby Mimi's Ryujinx interpreter works as it is. All I know is that it basically requires pipelining the ARM64 instructions through the JIT compiler, and then actually, like, keeping, like, it requires actually, like, categorizing the output of the JIT, so that when you place a breakpoint on the ARM64, or you look at a memory address on the x86, it actually points to, like, the memory address of the interpreter. So I'm saying, if crowd control really wanted to, which I'm saying there's no reason that they should do this, but if they wanted to get if you wanted to get the register's context from a single point at a single instruction, they could do something like that if they wanted it, but it sounds way more complicated than it's worth. So that's why I'm trying to, like, I suppose what I say is way too complicated, though. Also, there's probably a way to do it simpler to get what you're talking about. But I can't think of it off the top of my head. Especially because I know it's a bad idea ahead of time. I have the wisdom, but I don't have the understanding. Which, I mean, actually, that also sounds stupid. I guess I'm saying, what I'm ultimately saying is I'm ignorant, and I don't care enough to find out the actual truth. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome. Anyways, I've been going on a tangent for a while here. Let me actually make sure I can get this effect done. This is gonna work without... I have 100% certainty that this is going to work. I don't have a single doubt in my head. If this goes wrong, I will donate $5 to the diabetic charity. Diabetes type 1 charity. I will give money to diabetic people, is what I'm saying. If this doesn't work. Ha! Worked! Oh, cool. Basically, you can see you can also see the shadow renderer in the top left corner. Basically, how this game renders shadows is it actually renders them in a completely custom viewport. And then, so that's why you could see the jellyfish, because they actually render the models twice, and then they use, like, matrix math to place them onto the onto the ground. You know what I mean? I'm probably describing that wrong. See, the problem is I only half know everything. There's not one thing that I completely know. But knowing half of a lot of things can get you far. Also, that's weird. Was that the same texture twice? Oh! Well, this is interesting. Also, here's an effect that I think is kind of funny. The fog is coming. Uh-oh, the fog is coming. Oh no, the fog. Ah, and the fog's gone. I like that effect. It's stupid but funny. Okay, I guess we can just add texture constant funny to, it's easier to remove than add, remember? So, git add dot. Oh, we're down to 2 viewers. Git commit -m texture constant funny. Think of a better name later. No! Oh, no. God, I forgot. No. I made a terrible mistake. I forgot to add the gecko code to the, Well, now I just look stupid. I forgot to add the gecko code to gecko.text. Required to... Okay. Alright. Let's just add it now. Let's accept our failure. Alright. I'm noticing that there's only 2 people here still, which means one of them is GameCubing, and the other one's probably Jakku. So I don't think there's any reason for me to try. Even when I try, I can only get 5 viewers at my peak. It's pointless. So, whatever. Let's see. Like I said, I don't make a lot of immediate effects. I should try and make a funny immediate effect. What if I just type immediate and see if there's anything immediate in this game? Emit underscore popper underscore bubbles immediate. Play underscore sound underscore immediate. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, Jakku suggested an effect where I make sound effects play. You know what? Money is more valuable in this game than it is in other games. Like, if I recall, what can you do with money in BFBB? You can do, or shinies in BFB. You can do more than I remember. Does crowd control still support quantity effects? Or was that removed? I can't remember. I know that bid wars were removed. But or wait, was it bid wars that were removed? See, I'm forgetting which were removed. Okay, yeah, see, money is more important in this game. You need to pay for spatulas. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Let's just add give shiny and take shiny. It's so simple. I mean, it's so simple. I don't even know how I didn't think of it. You know? I try so hard. And yet, why should I try hard when I can simply make money effect? So, shinies. Okay, so it's this plus, oh, I'm not on programming calculator. 1B00. Okay, so if I do 200 here, then I should have 512. Hey, it's as simple as that. Now let's see what happens if I subtract. Oh my god, you know what would be crazy? You know, adding like a subtract money effect would be fun and all. But imagine if I just straight up added like a bankruptcy effect where you just lose all your money. Streamers would be so demoralized. But I don't think I can do that. Hello? Oh, Anto Pikmin. Now, Anto Pikmin, I don't think that this stream will necessarily... I don't know if it will pique your interest because we're doing SpongeBob crowd control stuff. I don't know if you like this game. This game has nothing to do with Pikmin in any way. If you did happen to enjoy this game, that would be interesting to me, because I would not have seen that association or connection. Anyway, let us make the give money effect. And this time it'll be an immediate effect, because I do so little immediate effects. Let's see here. Case, give money. Or give shinies. Let's just do... Where is player? Oh. Oh, I actually have a player struct here. Because... Oh, it's not out of order anyways. I actually have a player struct here because my friend Axiot made me realize that organization is important. Base address plus 0x1b00. There we are. I have never played this game, LMO. LMAO. It is as I have predicted then. Why am I talking with an accent? Except not really an accent, it's just me rolling my tongue. Okay, so let's do this. Let's just make give shiny, take shiny. It's so simple, I don't even know how I didn't think of it. Maybe it's because I love to overcomplicate things, and I hate when things are actually easy. I'm like Jimmy Neutron. I create a bunch of problems for myself, and then I try to fix them. And then I forget how you make an effect. I forget how you make an effect a quantity. But hey, you know, we have an advantage on our side. And that is, whenever I forget how to do something, I can look at a pack that I made already. See, this is why I don't understand university. University relies heavily on your ability to memorize information and be able to do processes on the fly. But when it comes to anything that I've ever actually had to done, I can always look at the manual or things that I've done in the past. Like, I barely require any memorization to do the tasks that I do. The memorization simply comes with the time that I spend on doing these things. So, what I'm saying is, if I needed to memorize these things, then I would have already. But I don't, because I don't need to. Okay. We're down to 2 viewers. Albert didn't memorize, and he was smart. Who the hell is Albert? Oh, like Albert Einstein? Does this one have a quantity? Okay, yeah, here we are. Quantity 99. I completely forget the quantity system. I have to double check it every time. Also, I think Cat Dev Games added a new thing because I haven't seen Jakku talk in a while. Okay, Jakku talked here. Yeah. What? Why isn't Jakku? Jakku might as well be a moderator. Why don't GameCubing can be a moderator? I guess I haven't thought to add a moderator because, you know, nobody's really... I don't think a lot of people are going to be doing anything wrong. What is the maximum shiny count in BFBB? It's something crazy high. Oh, in the original it says it's 5. I was going to assume it was 6. Good thing I checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to trust that it's 5. I'm going to trust that random YouTuber. Imagine if the crowd control SDK says that the quantity thing isn't used anymore. Oh, wait. Oops. Awkward. That was, And bam. So I think then we can use new quantity 999, or wait. That looks right to me. And then we can do new quantity 999. Now before I do anything else, I should double check. Item type could not be... Okay, good thing I checked, because item type does not seem to exist anymore. Or do I have to import something? Here's my plan. I'll just copy paste. There we are. Connector type. Okay, so we have link. We got memory. Okay, system link. We got that. We got that. The only thing that we don't have here is special connectors. Or wait, no, we don't have memory. Well, I don't understand it then. They must have gotten rid of the item type. I'm assuming that they did. Let me look at the documentation here. And I'm already on the SDK. Let's see here. Well. Well. That information has been quite enlightening. Let's see then. No more item types. No more item types. Is there any way to like temporarily disable the video without because I might have to look at, I don't know what, okay, where would it, let me look in the, let's see here. Let's just hope it doesn't cut to a DM. Okay. Let's go to the crowd. Let's go here. Well, now this is just boring. What am I supposed to do if I cannot remember? I don't remember. I do not remember. The typer namespace item type could not be found. It's got to be the crowd control. Okay, you know what? I may have to look at I don't have like, do I have to end the stream just to, oh wait. I'm an idiot. Of course. I forgot. I have
Blah 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 blah.
What is this?
Blah 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 blah
No,
blah
that's not interesting.
blah blah
Maybe
blah
for-
blah
maybe
blah
it's
blah
interesting.
blah 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 blah.
Here, I'm gonna take house. No. I don't want you. I'm gonna take house. House is gonna cover the screen. Okay. And I'm gonna look at something that's private. And because it's under it's private, right? It's the crowd control repositories. So here's the deal. Right now, I am looking at something that is very much so private, so that I can see why. Oh, okay. I'm an idiot. I know why it's not working. God damn it! Sometimes I'm so mad at myself when I make these blunders. I have like no chill. I have no chill when it comes to like respecting myself. I will never ever respect myself. I'm like House. Oh, Wilson. He has the disease, Wilson. What House? I have Wilson. Okay, you know what? I'm done. You're gonna go away now, House. You're going away now, House. So they got rid of that thing a long time ago. What you do is you literally just type quantity equals 99999. They got rid of that thing a long time ago, but I forgot. So, woe is me. Yeah. Alright, well, that is good. And then I believe this should be connector dot range. Oh, wait. This should be connector dot range add 32. Range add 32. We might need Wilson again. Or House. Okay, House. So when House is on screen, it just means that I'm looking at something. When House is on screen, it just means that I'm looking at something that I'm legally not allowed to share. So think of House as like my legal advisor. And he's just gonna look at you. And be nice. And be your friend. Well then. So player dot shiny count blah blah blah. Huh. Oh wait, I'm not even looking at it anymore. Why am I? Okay, House, as my legal advisor, I'm gonna need you to step down for a moment, thank you. Shiny count, Val. Wait, what does Val mean in this context? Okay, House, I'm gonna ask you to, okay, don't worry, House won't be here forever. He's just gonna be here while I literally can't remember how I used to do this. What the heck is Val? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm dumb. Alright. Alright. Okay, house. Goodbye, house. Don't worry. That was the last time you'll ever see house today. That was literally the last time. Like, I mean it. House is not coming back. Alright. So, the max is just gonna be 999. That's 999 with 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's 5, 5. So we have case, give shinies. And then all we need is case. We need case, take shinies. Okay. So here we can have wait, that doesn't work. No, wait, that doesn't work at all. There's a way to do this. Oh, yeah. There is. It's just, code params equals negative. It's not, that would be -0. That wouldn't make any sense. It's just, yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it, I'm pretty sure. Makes perfect sense to me. No, it doesn't, because in C# you can't convert booleans to ints. Yeah. The effect does not contain a definition for quantity. Yeah, and times cannot... I'm so used to C++ where you can do that type of stuff. Alright, I'm sorry. Also, what do you mean quantity doesn't exist? Did I spell quantity? Oh, I did spell quantity wrong. Okay, false alarm. I did. I was gonna say, what do you mean quantity doesn't exist? Did I spell it wrong? And then I did spell it wrong. Operator times cannot be used for operator. I hate it so much. This is my... Why do you do this to me? Why? Why do you want me to write clean code when I could write efficient code? Cannot convert type. Why though? You know, fine. I'll make you a ternary expression, because that's what you want, isn't it? That's all they want, is they want the ternary. Ooh, I'm a ternary expression. You write a question mark, and then you write -1 or 1. Alright, fine. Ternary expression. Wait, what's the issue here now? Why is it saying commas? 218, invalid expression term. Oh, I just had a brain fart. Why did I write it twice? Alright, fine. Okay, now we can give shinies. Don't worry, SpongeBob. Soon you'll be rich. Don't worry, SpongeBob. Soon you'll be rich. Don't worry, SpongeBob. Soon you'll be rich. Alright, that's not working. Alright. What did we do wrong? And by we, I mean me. You guys didn't do anything. But, see, that's the interesting thing. YouTubers are always like, we work together. I mean, by that same logic, it's your guys' fault when I do bad. Like, I mean, sure, I guess it's nice when I say we, when, like, I'm doing a good job. But really, when I'm doing a bad job, you guys, like, when I do a bad job, you guys suffer. Because I accuse you of doing a bad job, because we are in this together. Like, every failure of mine is also a failure of yours, just for watching. How cruel is that? Imagine if I was, like, a parent, and I make a mistake, and I'm like, well, children, You're not eating tonight. I mean, it's all our faults. You know what I mean. But no, I'm not blaming you, chat. I'm saying lesser minds would blame you, chat. But see, I also take all the credit. You see, that is the opposite. That is the opposite problem. When I do good, I take all the credit. But when I do bad, I also take all the blame. So, you know? You don't have to suffer my failures, but you do have to suffer my successes. So, let's figure out why this isn't working. It's not even... Okay, these are the same. I think crowd control will actually crash if these don't match. So these are the same, right? Oh yeah. I know why. It's because it's actually a variable now. It's no longer, they changed it to be a variable. Didn't they? Oh, I think I might have a keyboard failure, because that's the second time I've missed the T on quantity. Like, did you guys notice that? The only typos that I made today were missing the T on quantity. So, that's weird. Estimated delay, why? I think estimated delay comes when there's an exception. What? Okay, House, you're coming back. What do you mean? How does quantity not work? House? No, that's Wario. House, there you are. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, you guys aren't gonna believe this. You wanna know what it was? Oh my goodness. House, get out of here. Okay, so you guys see what I did? Look at this memory address. Does anything look wrong? Is it the fact that there's an extra 0 here? My goodness. I have never seen such horror. Can't believe it. 1. Okay. And now this should... If I give 100... If I ask to take What? What was that? Oh! Oh, okay. I didn't know... I'm not... Oh, okay. That makes sense. Oh, I see. Okay. So, 10... Okay, fine, 19. Well, I was already doing 1. How is that a good test? Alright, there we go. Now, I'm gonna ask it to take too much, and it should give me a fatal exception. Estimated delay, same as a fatal exception. Basically, due to the instability of video games, even when there's a fatal exception, it's just an estimated delay. But it's also because it could change. Like, I could eventually get to 150 and then it'll work. Okay, yeah, see? but basically, estimated delay just means that the code crashed. Not crashed. It either crashed or it was a checked exception. You know what I mean. Alright, there we go. And now we can add the take shinies effect. It's not really a crash. So get status, get add dot. I really can't tell if Jakku is here or not anymore. I feel like they're silently listening in the background. And then there's Anto Pikmin. Get commit dash m. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, right. Add and take shinies. Yeah. Get push. See, sometimes I forget what I'm doing right while I'm in the middle of it. I have a very poor attention span. I have a very poor ability to concentrate on what I'm doing. But don't worry. So, you know what'd be cool? If the bubble... Actually, wait. I need one more effect to hit 20. 120 is always my goal. Never... Wait. No. Why did I say 120 is always my goal? I guess that's, like, Mario 64, 120 stars. There's actually a lot of games where 120 is your goal. I think aren't there 120 spatulas in this game? No, there's only 100 in this game. Okay, never mind. See, I told you, I get easily distracted. I need to add one more effect to be happy. You know, it keeps showing me Sin. What if I just modified Sin? You know, what if I did this? Huh. Didn't actually do much. Alright. I'm gonna edit Sin. Because... why not? I wonder. And I wonder... Oh yeah, look at all these floats. These beautiful, beautiful floats just waiting to be edited. Minus 4720. Also, this is a terrible idea. There's no way that this ends well. You are not supposed to edit 4720. You're not supposed to edit float values like this. 4738. Oh, I forgot to include the minus. I was wondering why these don't look like doubles. Okay. Now, here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do... Instead of 3F, it's gonna be BF. Alright. Don't believe me? Too bad. It's happening. Now, let's see what happens. Nothing? Okay, literally nothing. Off to a good start. Now, let's just do this. Oh. Oh. Okay. I can barely move. I think SpongeBob has a lobotomy. Is there anything else that you can add in this game? Wait, isn't there a max HP count in this game? That would be an evil effect. Imagine permanently lowering the max HP. Like, I don't... Wait, that's actually a funny effect. That's crazy funny. The streamer could just have 1 HP forever. It's the ultimate OHKO effect. 1 HP forever. It's never over. You know what? I'm going to add that. Well, I guess that's 2 more effects. That's 21, but it's fine because they're both basically the same effect, just opposite of each other. So health equals 16B0. I don't know if the health... I need to save the game to see how the health is saved. Let me see. Can I save this? Can I set this to like 8 and it'll work? Or does it cap at 6? Okay, it caps at 6. That was as I thought. But what if I set your max HP to 2? That's weird. Oh wait, this isn't even the max HP. What am I doing? This is probably the max HP. It looks like a 6 to me. Oh yeah, that's the max HP. Now, does this actually work at 7? Okay, no, as I thought. What if I set this to 0? That's weird. Why does setting your max HP to 0 not kill you? But setting your actual HP to 0 kills you. I think I need to restart the game. Let's see here. There's no way Jakku is here. They would have said something by now. There's no way. Okay, guys. This is probably gonna be like the worst crowd control effect ever. And I mean that in a good way. I mean, like, I don't know any other game that lets you permanently lower the player's HP. It's gonna be crazy. Wait, what's this? There's a BF800 here. Actually, there's a lot of... Why are there so many negative numbers? I'm gonna make you positive. How about that? Well, who knows what that did? I suppose there's not much to be stressing about. Let's just get this done with. So, alright. Here's my plan. The first thing, I'm going to set it to 4. And then I'm going to go save the game and see if it's still 4. Because if this game is really poorly programmed. I don't think it uses like any save flags. I think it literally just saves whatever HP you had. And I consider that bad because, like... I don't know why I consider that bad. Maybe I'm just biased for save flags. And non-volatile data. How do you actually save it? Oh, can you just... Oh, you can just save anytime. Okay.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain! I can't hear you! Aye, aye, Captain!
If it's still 4 HP, that'll be good. I doubt it will be. This game has to use flags. It can't be that badly programmed. It's still 4. Okay. Well, now we know that works, so... That means it literally just stores your max HP to the memory card. That's kind of crazy. Interesting. So, what offset is this? It's 1738. Alright. Let's go. See, it's funny. The only thing that Jakku said... What emoji even is this? This is, Alexa, what is this emoji? I don't have an Alexa. Face red, droopy eyes. Oh, wait. That was the file I'm not supposed to be showing. Okay. the meaning of red face, droopy eyes. I don't. All right. If this is what, I guess we should just read this for 6 minutes. Isn't May National? Okay, it's not May. Didn't Justin Bieber had Bell's palsy? Ramsay-Hunt syndrome. Well, what's Ramsay-Hunt syndrome? Now, what's this chicken pox? Alright, enough reading. Let's go back to it. No! Don't do... No! The facial droop. The red face. The chicken pox. The Ramsay Grunt syndrome or whatever it was. The Ramsay Grunt syndrome. It wasn't Ramsay Grunt. It was whatever. Okay. After this, we're moving on to a different game because I'm almost done. Oh, that's not true. I need to clean up this code. I need to do cleanup after this. Just because I'm almost done doesn't mean I'm actually done. This isn't actually going to be a quantity effect. This is just going to be a really big one-shot effect. This is going to be... And take max HP. Okay. That'll... Oh, that was quick. Now let me look at the errors here. Calls deprecated method system.void.control.common.ctor. What calls a deprecated? Oh, this is deprecated. Why is that deprecated? Oh, well, whatever. We'll look at QA later. Let's just make sure we've gotten every effect down, and then we'll do some quality control. This is... Oh, I forgot to actually change their name. Okay, so this effect is crazy because okay, you see this? You now permanently have 1 less HP no matter what you do. No matter what you do or where you go, you are just 1 HP less. And you cannot change it unless someone else buys an increased max HP effect. So crazy. This is my most devious effect yet. Yeah. Permanent 1 HKO. Or 08, 1 permanent OHKO, yeah. Oh, and then of course one thing I need to do then is now that I have this effect, this really stupid effect, I need to make it so that for the actual OHKO effect, I need to make it so that I always forget the out uint part. This is a pretty long line. I don't think that's the right formatting. Is that the right formatting? I'm pretty sure. That's not the right formatting. I don't know that I particularly care, though. So... yeah. 1 second. I want house. I want house here. Where's house? Alright. 1 second. House is gonna host for a while. I need to check something. Alright, I'm back. Thank you for... House has been a real helper this stream. He's been watching things while I'm busy. Check the repo, I dare you. I know. I saw what you sent. You sent like a... You sent something funny. Delicious Whopper. Actually, now that I think about it, old health should also have to equal greater than 1 here. Otherwise, this function is useless. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Wait, did you see that? Why didn't I die? Wait, what? Is that wait, what? Is that really a thing? Oh, no. Oh, interesting, actually. I guess it keeps your old health even if you change your max HP. So now I should really have 1 HP. Okay, good thing I tested that, so... This is literally just the exact same piece of code, but for, the regular health. Okay, that's funny. Is this safe, though? Yeah. Safe enough. It's not safe, but I don't know that I care. So whatever. Alright. There we are. And then... Okay, yeah, it's not safe. I'm a dummy. It actually needs to be just... Okay, there we are. There's more errors now, I think. Who's painting me? It's GameCubing. Even though they're right here in the chat with us, they for some reason wanted to message me. How odd. Okay. I'm just gonna make it so that whenever you decrease... Yeah, that's fine. That behavior is good enough. Wait, why did it... Did I click on OHKO? Did I click on OHK? Did I click on... How... Wait. I didn't click on OHKO, did I? That's weird. Maybe it's best not to think about it. Excuse me. Alright. Okay. Wait, he exploded? Wait a minute, he did? I wasn't even paying attention. Show me, he explodes when he fights these guys? I don't see an explosion. Is it those tikis? Yeah, he's not exploding, he's just falling over. Falling over isn't funny. Nobody's paying for SpongeBob to fall over. Where did he explode? Okay, you're going crazy. Alright, well let's do bug fixes. First bug, I think I've done every effect I want to. The first bug we need to point out is... let's see. Get game state. Okay, I'm actually gonna check now because this time... Oh, it did happen. It did actually happen. I thought you were gaslighting me. Or did you Photoshop that just to gaslight me? You somehow managed to Photoshop that in mere minutes. Just out of hatred for me. Alright. Method is ready, always returns true. Mm-hmm. Oh. Alright. Wait, what? Found start effect code path with no response. Says no responses, eh? Is this an IP? No, wait, this isn't an IP address. For some reason, I thought it was an IP address. That's actually lines of code. $199, okay. 199, and then 205. All right. Pretty standard so far. 206, okay. 207, okay. 371, okay. By that, wait a minute. What? Does there just need to be a default case here? Like, what the heck? Has there always been a default case? What? No response. Found start effect code path with no responses. What do you mean? No responses. Alright, House, you're coming back on screen. What do you mean, no responses? Did that look like, that was, I don't understand. Where is the no response there? Nothing happens. I don't think that's real. Like, I mean, I don't know how that's a real issue. Like, how can, unless I'm misinterpreting it, how can it say that, how can it say that nothing... How can it say that nothing's... Okay. If none of this runs, okay, then nothing happens. Why is it saying there's an issue? Well then let me focus on the other things first, because I don't understand what that means. Is ready always returns true, well that's bad. Get game state is missing, well that's bad. Base, well that's called base.stop effect. Oh no, House is taking over. He wants to be on screen again. This is against my will. Before, I was impartial, but now this is against my will. Okay, so according to my investigation, I have no idea if this is what I'm supposed to do or not. Either way. Wait, what? Wait a minute, what? I'm sorry, did you not just say... Base? Oh. Oh yeah, right. Functions start capitalized in this weird C# world. Of course. Of course, of course. Yeah, I don't know what this means. Found start effect code path with no responses. I do not know what it's talking about. Unless one of these simply doesn't send a response, but they all do. Or wait. Does this technically send a response? Or does it? Does this not send a response? It must. Huh. Alright, well let's focus on this guy. Alright, let's just do... Gecko flash without verifying return value. Blah blah blah. Private Abul Gecko flash. If not, return. Well, it's so simple, I don't even know how I wrote it. I think things are starting to calm down here. We're doing some bug fixes. We're all good. Let's hope that works. Oh, not all code paths return a value. Ah, but of course. How silly of me. Get address inner. Do I even use get address inner? Nope, I don't. Say goodbye. Calls deprecated method. Oh wow, look how long that is. The pack space name should be crowdcontrolpacks.bfbb. What is its namespace now? Oh. Alright, well that's easy enough. Don't see how a warning could get simpler than that. Deprecated. A deprecado. House, come back. I need to look at something again. You guys can hear the music, right? Or the in-game audio? It hasn't just been my voice this entire time. Alright, house is gone. And no more error, right? Yes. Oh, we're actually running out of errors here. Method get game state is missing. Start effect calls deprecated. Well, I don't know what the new method is, so I give up. Oh, I think I have to hash my own ROM. I hate hashing. Let's see if this works. This isn't true, by the way. This isn't the right hash. But who cares? Let's go slower. Or let's go faster. Did the game just crash? No, it ran die. Why did it ran die when I clicked on fast player? I'm so fast. Alright, almost every error is gone. I'm so proud of myself. I have to give myself a promotion. Today, the fun has just started. I don't remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, right. Get game state. House. Huh. That's so weird. They changed the script on me. Alright then. House, be gone. So it seems like is ready isn't even used anymore. It would appear that get game state is now used. But then does that mean that this... Does that mean that this is deprecated? Uh-oh. House is taking control. No, house! I can't believe there's still 3 viewers just watching a still image of house while SpongeBob music plays. I could try and be entertaining, I suppose. Hey guys, Mr. Broccoli here. Today we're gonna be playing some... We're not playing, actually. We're just kind of like, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. We're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We are going to make it. Alright guys, I'm almost gonna get rid of house. Actually, how about we have a vote? Do we want house to just be on the stream forever? Do you even want to look at what the stream is? What if all you really want to do is look at house? So we have 3 viewers right now, right? I need at least 2 out of 3 of you viewers to say something. I won't get rid of house until only 2 out of 3 people say something. So, yeah, that's my challenge. My challenge for the audience is to get House to say something. Kill House. Alright, that's one out of the 2 required people. So, we are almost there. And let's see, Anto, you gotta DM Anto on Discord. You gotta get Anto to get rid of House. Oh wait, oh it worked! It worked! Oh my goodness, we got 2 out of 3. We got them to get rid of House. We did it, chat. We hit our goal. We got rid of House. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of us. I didn't think we could make it. Also, Jakku, look at this. See, Jakku, look. I've got it down to only a handful of warnings. It's not like my other packs, where I think when I originally made the Mario Sunshine pack, I released it with like 100 warnings. I'm pretty sure it was at least 100 warnings. Maybe 200. Then again, I am a nightmare for people who prefer, what's it called? I'm a nightmare for people who prefer things to be done correctly. Either way. Let's see here. Get game state always returns game state that get ready, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this says the repeat action is deprecated. Just, what is it supposed to look like then? Tell me, what do you want from me? Did you actually wait, you literally DM'd Anto Pikmin on Discord. He came into this chat, he said okay, and then he left. You actually got him to do that. I'm proud of you. That's the type of interaction that I need. That time I flashed house, I don't know why. I need to look at I keep needing to look at a crowd control repository that isn't public, and so I keep having to put house on the screen. I need Okay, house is dead. This is his corpse. His corpse is just really youthful looking, really energetic. Okay. Do 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 do. All right. Oh wait, the pack I'm looking at isn't even private. Never mind. You can look at it. Look, it's Plants vs. Zombies. This is a public repository. Yay. Public repository. I don't need to hide the fact that I'm looking. Don't use that face. Do not use that tone with me. I'm gonna remove you as a moderator. Wait, I can put moderators in timeout? How long does it have to be? Wait, why? What's the point of a 10-second? Ah! No, they're all gone! No, wait! Wait, I didn't mean to do that. I just thought it would be funny if I put you on a 10-second timeout. I didn't want to delete every single message. Oh no, wait, no! I didn't want to do that either! Wait, no! My finger slipped. Sorry. Okay, I legitimately have like a failing mouse. And so what happened is when I clicked on like, it just, my mouse got stuck when I clicked here, and then it like somehow clicked again. I'm sorry, my finger slipped. I suppose it doesn't matter that I deleted all your messages. I didn't think that would happen though. I thought it would just be a funny 10-second timeout. Okay. I'm sorry. Well, let's hope it wasn't for the history books. Wasn't meant to be. Ew. Format bad. Okay. Get it. Okay. Time span dot from what am I looking at here? okay. Well, I don't need the repeat action. I don't need the result of it, so let's get rid of that. Time span dot from milliseconds. How many Oh my god. He's starting to believe. Oh, wait, do you think it's because I used return instead of break that crowd control was giving me that error? Is that all that is? Is that like a thing where break is not the same as return in C#? Or, obviously the same, but I'm wondering if that's confusing it. Because I'm just noticing I use return here instead of... That can't matter. No, that can't matter. I don't believe it for a second. Is underscore not paused. Oh. True. Syntax error switch expected. Okay. Cannot convert from bool. What are you talking about, bro? Oh. Never mind, bro. You're chill. You make some good points. Cannot convert from bool to system.funcbool. Well then. This is tricky. This is tricky. What is this then? What is the definition of this? Wait. How is that possible? How is this... Wait a minute. How is this Wait a minute. How is this a function? Whatever. This is a lambda statement. Lambda. Lambda true? What would I do without you? Now, no longer be deprecated. Oh, hey. What do you mean no responses? What do you mean? It's all responding. Every single... everything. It's all responsive. What do you mean no response? What do you mean? What do you mean? Please, what do you mean? Okay, yeah, that's right. But what do you mean? Okay, yeah, that's fair. I agree with that. But what do you mean no response? Where is there no response? I've checked every line. Every single line of code I have dissected meticulously. I have given it the utmost thought at every corner. There's no possible way that there is no return value at any point. It is simply it is simply impossible. Completely and utterly impossible. What do you mean? What do you mean no response? What do you mean? Where? Where is there no response? Alright, let's think about this calmly and rationally. Let's not get ourselves heated in it. Found start effect code path with no response. Is this a response? What do you mean? 3-7. But how is there? I. Uh. 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 No response, eh? Alright, let's look at the... It can't be a 0, it's a void. Yeah, see, look, protected override void, start effect. Let's see. Hmm. How do I do the Minecraft villager noise? Now, usually, in these situations, I would have some idea what it is that I should do. Well, I don't see it. I don't see what it's talking about. Found start effect, have no response. You know what? I just realized. There's an ancient developer technique that's been lost to time. It's called a binary, Oh, wait, no, I can't do that. Can I? Okay, I can do that. Okay. We're gonna do something called a binary search. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of half the effects, and then I'm gonna see which one of these are the problem causers. Okay, so it has to be below the fog. Okay, nope, never mind. I have no idea what's causing that then. Why are so many people messaging me today? Nobody ever messages me. Do I read this on stream? Oh, I can answer. No, I can't answer. They'll just have to wait. I'm not asking in the CC server. I refuse. I have to figure it out on my own, or I'll never go to the fair. Or whatever it's called. I just don't understand. Why is it me who has to suffer in silence? Let's put a pin in it. Let's look at it later. Let's see here. Let's just figure out when the game is paused. Alright. Now, hopefully there's just a function that says, is the game paused? Oh, hey. What do you know? My luck's starting to change. So, wait a minute. I need to decompile here. Alright. Let's get right to it. Okay. So, 6. Wait, what? Isn't this literally just... Wait a minute. Huh. Interesting. So, it's just if this is equal to 6, 7, or 8, then the game is paused. That's pretty simple. Bruh. Oops. So, and then this is 5. Yeah, okay. Well, that's pretty simple. R13 minus 7058. So. All right. Alrighty. Oh wait, no. It's not false. It's game state dot womp 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 womp. Okay. Get game state. It's game state dot paused. Oh. How beautiful. Da, 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 da. No, wait, that's game state dot unknown. See, I'm already understanding everything. Sometimes my genius, it's almost too much. Like, I might actually have problems, like, with how smart I am. Like, I might legitimately need to go to a doctor just to make sure that I'm not too overwhelmingly intelligent. You know? You know? Like, here's something I think about. You know how, like, some people work themselves to death? Like, what if I'm, like, so smart that, like, my body, like, what if the only reason I'm so smart is because my body is, like, using way too much energy for my brain? And, like, my brain is, like, an overclocked CPU that's gonna burn out by the time I'm in my 30s, you know? Like, but then I go to the doctors and, like, no, you're just super... In fact, your brain is actually slower than the average person's brain. You're, like, smart in spite of the fact that you have a slower brain. You're basically underclocked. Imagine if we got you, like, to the full CPU power of your brain, you know? That's me, you know? So I'm actually not like an overclocked CPU. My brain is not on fire, you know? Anyways, I haven't talked to the chat in a while. Let's see here. Okay, now, my friends. Found start effect. Okay, I guess I'll have to ask Cat Dev Games about that. Because she'll be able to see that I'm actually trying this time. Because usually it's like 100 errors, but this time it's only 2. Maybe they'll be more forgiving. The Forgiving Tree? You ever read that book? Okay. Ooh, metally. Why does this look so weird? The game is paused. The game is paused. The game is paused. And the game is good. But when I talk to a...
There have to be some non-student drivers around here.
Okay, so effects happen even when the player has no control, so control off. Okay, that was easy. The game should also be paused whenever... Let's see here. Oh, it's a flag, okay. A player flag. Well... Oh, wait, what? So... That was already 0 though. Wait, this isn't as clear as I thought it would be. It appears that the flags are actually decided by the inputs of the function, so, That actually makes it harder. Or wait, does it?
There have to be some non-student drivers. There have to be some non-student. There have to be some non-student.
Okay, but look at this. If I get rid of this,
There have to be some non-student drivers
Yeah.
around here.
It's the illusion of being paused. The illusion. Well, let's figure out which one of these flags matters. There's a lot of these flags. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. How many? But only some of these flags can actually determine if you're paused or not, so that's all we have to figure out. We just have to get even with them. Something wonderful. Why is this function called something wonderful? Okay, well, I'm tired of something wonderful. Oh, wait, is that it, lol? Lol. Lol. So it seems kind of like, anyone can write this value.
There have to be some...
Okay, I think I get it. So whenever it's 0, it's not I will make him explode. I'll do that later. So, okay. So basically different objects have different pause flags. It seems like, but I think that's just so. That's actually a pretty clever system. So basically, let's say like okay, like, oh, so if the movie player wants SpongeBob to stand still, and then let's say like if two different things want SpongeBob to stand still, they can both change their own individual flag for SpongeBob, but ultimately it's irrelevant. Yeah, cuz see, look. Yeah. So that is what this means. So I don't actually have to do any flag math. I literally just need to do okay. So 1788 all right. Quite a clever system. I implore it. All right. Let's do Man, this is so easy. Well done. Well done. Have you guys seen the Olaf well done? It's very stupid. It's a Disney short. I still think about it sometimes. It's literally just... Wait, this is probably copyrighted. Let me just show the well done part. Well yes. Well done.
Well done! Well done!
He just says well done, and it's the sunset. That's it. That's literally it. And I still think about it. It's so stupid, but it also actually is kind of deep. It's deep in how stupid it is. Also, yeah, C#, no Boolean math for me. Makes me sad. Now, I don't know if there's any other way in which the game is paused. I'm pretty sure that's it. Well, it'll be really obvious. The game is wait. Oh, I got it backwards. Okay. Ah, this is a weird texture. Why can't I talk to Mrs. Puff? Is she done talking to me? Why won't you talk to me? I am your friend. I am SpongeBob. Is this a glitch? Am I not supposed to be able to talk to you? Whatever. I'll talk to you. You're my only friend. Sign. Oh no! Oh no! Why does he look like that? Why? Oh my god. Why? That's so cursed. It's so cursed. I knew the effect would be cursed, but I didn't realize it would be that cursed. R. I'm R. The best character in SpongeBob, the letter R. Truly a fan favorite. Oh wait, this is actually... Whoa! Look in the distance! It's a giant jelly float. Again. Metal? Lame. Oh, I can barely see anything. What is this? That guy. I'm doing that thing again where I'm not pushing to GitHub. I should push this all to GitHub. This is all pretty good progress. Git status. Yay, we did it. Wait. So GameCubing and Anto Pikmin... that could only mean that Jakku left. Jakku is now gone forever. It's over. There's nothing left. Alright. Guys, I have to be honest with you. I literally can't think of what else to do now. Oh, wait. Yeah, I can. I have to actually import all the gecko codes now. There's a lot of gecko codes for this mod. Press the R button to read. They really thought you wouldn't be able to understand. This is crazy. Okay, you know what it is that I'm forgetting? I almost forgot. I need to make it so that with Ender Bubble, I need to make it so that it doesn't play the animation. So you don't, or I need to at least make it so you don't get stuck as a monster. I wonder, check underscore anim underscore aim. What? Okay. Check underscore anim underscore aim. What does that mean? Well, what happens if I set this to a 1? What does that mean? Ah, what? Ew. Ew, what? Why am I doing that? This is weird. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. I'm going back to Michigan. I will never feed the children. When have they ever fed me? I'm stuck like that now. Now, I know, here's what you could, okay, here's what you might say. You might say, well, the children are too poor to feed me. And I say, well, I'm too poor to feed them. Touche. I feel like that's a pretty solid argument for me. Yeah, why can't I talk to people anymore? I swear. Check underscore anim underscore aim. Interesting. And I'm stuck. If only I knew how to make it so that you didn't become hideously deformed. Like cruise control to sponge control. This Tartar guy, why isn't he attacking me? I still want to know why that Tartar guy didn't, why didn't that Tartar guy aim at me? What's his problem? Also, why can't I talk to Mr. Krabs? Did I glitch my game? Why is it doing this? Let me open it again. Okay. Well, that's working again. Alright, well, let's try this again. Alright, let's do this. Let me look at why the cruise bubble breaks the way it does. Yeah, and then I get stuck like this. And it's creepy. It would honestly be fine as long as pressing B would get me out of this. So... see, what I mean is... it's just so weird. How does the player decide that this is what it should do with its life? I mean, so stupid. Okay, here we go. Well, what would happen if I do this? Oh, okay. Oh, oh no. Oh no, we're hideous. We're hideous. But it seems to be working perfectly fine. It doesn't actually seem to be that bad. Wait, can I still do the cruise? No, I can't do the cruise bubble. I'm kind of just in a weird state where I'm somewhat like SpongeBob. Except I'm not dealing any damage to those people. That's weird. That check doesn't even seem to matter. Maybe it matters for Sandy. Let's test this for Sandy. Oh wow, look at that weird. 4, 3, 4. Ooh, weird. Did the game crash? No, the game just takes a while to load. Does it matter that this is a nope here? I don't think it does. It seems like, it does another check here. Yeah, it does. What is this check for, then? What is the purpose of this? What is this small snippet of code for, then? Okay, well, let's do this. I'm deformed. I'm terrible. So now, for some reason... Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, this is perfect then. Now we're horribly deformed and we can't do anything. Why is this something you can do? Can we still lasso or lasso? Wait. Don't you press X to lasso usually? Okay, we got hit. Now can we lasso again? Lasso? Lasso-y? Where's some bricks which I can lasso-y? Let me lasso you. Okay. Alright, that's funny. I guess this check just doesn't matter. I guess it's like a developer check. Developers will sometimes make checks and then they don't really matter, so who cares? Let's add this to testing bubble ender. Why do you want me to make SpongeBob explode so much? It's your #1 life goal, which is sad because there's so many better #1 life goals. Let's see here. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the rizziest of them all? Remember when Riz wasn't a word? I do. I'm old school. Oh, I love how... SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Is that SpongeBob's model's actual textures, by the way? I don't believe it. I can't believe that's what SpongeBob's textures look like. That's crazy. That's actually legitimately the most diabolical thing I've ever seen. I can't believe I've seen it with my own eyes.
Hey there, Sandy.
Howdy, Bubble Buddy.
Oh, that's who I'm talking to. Delayed. Uh-oh. I like you actually have to get hit to save yourself. Dumb. Dumb. Smart. Dumb. Smart. Okay. Now we should work on... Now we should work on porting. I can't think of any other bugs, so now we should just work on turning the gecko codes into a crowd control master code and then convert it to hex. So yeah. Let's do that. Oh. Wait a minute. That's not what I want. Testing bubble ender. This might be the biggest master code ever. It's a big one. Yeah, this is also huge, this thing. Why did I make so many gecko codes for this game? Because I care. Okay. And then this should go on... This should go, yeah, here. Alright. Easy peasy. Then let's just quickly convert it. Convert it to an array for C#. Because I don't know how to do it. I don't know how you're supposed to do it, frankly. Do I care? Does society care if I actually know how to do things correctly? Or does it just want me to get them done? So, G equals... with open full gecko dot text as f for x and f dot read lines for y and x dot split Okay, there we are. Oof, missed a spot. Oh, and then I forgot to print it. There we are. Mmm, delicious code. Look at it. So scrumptious and beautiful. It's right there. And then send gecko to base. Where is my base gonna be? There's only one person who can tell me, who can help me. It's gonna be 3E00. It's not 3E00, what am I saying? It's 3EE0. This looks like a good spot to me. As good as any other spot. Alright then. Let's get her done. And then I guess we should add a check here. What's our check gonna be? Sure, let's do that. Why not? GG's, I'm a go now. It was fun. Alright, see ya. We're wrapping up here anyways. I think you get the idea on how working for crowd control is. Holy sorry. That song is stuck in my head. It's not even a good song. How is it stuck in my head? It's just there's no appeal to it. Like, what's the appeal? There's no appeal. Why am I looking at Kirby? Whatever. So basically, I'm just gonna add a simple check here. If is 0, check. There we are. That's it. We flushed the gecko. Alright, now we're almost done. Except for the part where I literally don't, there's one issue left, and that is, I don't know, I don't know why, I can't use the dolphin stuff. So that's bad. That's pretty bad. And then there were two. If Jakku's in the chat, I might genuinely need your help because I don't understand why I can't use the dolphin connector. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I just need to do whatever it is that the... whatever. I said I might need your help, not that I will. So, I'll save myself the embarrassment. Cannot convert from crowd control common that affect request to uint. Oh. What does this say? Incorrectly emits server responses. How so? Okay. Sure, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna need to put Dr. House up one more time. We should be good. No, we're not good. Come back to me, house. I'm sorry, guys. I don't like bringing out house as much as the next person, but has to be done for the sake of society. House is our only savior. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna go sicko mode. Thicko mode, you might even say. Yes, I did it! Yay! Yes, we did it. Okay. Now, I should be able to use the crowd control dolphin and nothing bad will happen. Let's go. So, let's go to crowd control dolphin. Dolphin, crowd control. Oh wait, no, it's crowd control and then it's dolphin under crowd control. Slightly confusing, but not without reason. It's sad that GameCubing left. They're gonna miss me finishing the package, like, sorry, not the package. They're gonna miss me finishing the mod like 2 seconds after they leave. I mean, how sad for them, eh? Why can't I control anything?
If not nonsense be something you wish.
Are my controls different for this version of Dolphin? Oh, they are. Alright, whatever then. Look how many controllers I have. You can tell who I've been throughout the years, or who I've been with at least. Alright.
welcome.
Oh no, the intro. Oh, you can skip the intro.
Yeah, Gary. It sure looks like we're in a doozy of a pickle. I think I'm gonna have to learn. What up? Oh! So if I want to come back and.
Why is nothing happening? Well, that works, but that was never a code edit. Oh my g- Oh! I'm so silly. You guys see what I wrote? You guys see what I did there? Oh my goodness. Alright, that's embarrassing. I'm sure everyone saw that. Oof. That's odd. Why is there a delay?
Breaking news!
No,
I thought, did I?
Oh, wait. I know what it is. Okay. Oversight much? Yeah. Why did he have to leave right when I was about to be done? I feel cheated. Not that cheated.
Welcome to Bikini Bottom.
Yeah, Gary. It sure looks. So if I want to get.
What do you mean the game is paused? I'm moving right now.
I make my.
Alright then. I wonder if there is a version issue after all.
Welcome to.
Yeah, Gary. It sure. So if I want to come back and.
Yeah, okay. What appears to be the issue here? I do not understand. Man, this is a really old version of Dolphin. Why is this entire piece of code not running? Oh my god. I did it again. Why do I keep doing this? I keep making these small, stupid mistakes. There we go, finally. Well, that wasn't so hard. Alright, well, it works. Let me just test every effect here. Obviously. Give shinies. 10. Take shinies. 5. Invincibly. Yep. This one is crazy. Oh my god, the noise. The fog is coming.
Make myself a snack, but there's no time. It's shine.
Breaking news! Did I?
Here we are. There we are then. Yay! We did it. We finished the pack. Let me try the other version of the game now. 1 viewer. One viewer. It's crazy. Excuse me. Only 1 viewer got to see the pack end. That's crazy.
Welcome to Bikini Bottom.
Despite all my efforts.
Yeah, Gary, it's sure.
Despite-
So if I want back and do that.
This game definitely is this game is slightly different.
Give me some.
Why does it say game ready here?
Give me some.
That's not correct. Why is it wrong? I don't understand now. Or I don't understand that. So when you talk to Gary here, you're not paused for some reason? so weird.
Breaking news! Bikini Bottom residents have been attacked by a raging torrent of robot horror.
So,
I thought, did I?
That feels so inconsistent. Is it possible to talk to this sign? No, okay.
I make myself a snack. A note from Mr. Krabs. And it even smells sweaty, just like him.
Ahoy there, SpongeBob!
I don't understand. How is the game not paused right now? You can't even move SpongeBob.
As a faithful crew member of the Krusty Krab, you've been, promoted to head shiny...
Okay. That checks out, yeah. So R4 plus 1788.
Ahoy there, SpongeBob! As a faithful crew member of the Krusty Krab, you've been, promoted to head shiny object collector.
What the heck? Well, that confuses me. This vexes me. Oh well. I'm very wait, no, this doesn't make any sense. How can the game be ready? Oh, I know what that is. Oh, now you say the game is paused. What took you so
That's
long?
right!
Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. This is version... This is Disc 1 Revision 0. This is...
Welcome to Bikini.
Yeah, Gary.
I haven't been talking in a while. I want to make sure that I really want to make sure that I get this last part done. Nothing happened. Interesting. Why is it that that code is broken of all the codes? Did. means that this one is the wrong, or that one is the wrong version. Alright then.
Welcome to
Yeah, Gary, it's sure.
Breaking news!
So much.
Authorities are not sure. Did I?
There's nothing like the sounds.
Go away. Where?
There.
Oh,
Not the
golden.
you. Hey, Patrick.
What?
So, well,
They're so
you-
bless you.
Guess stream's over. It works. Alright. Goodbye.